Ewo Konfanochi Teaching Hospital Chief Executive Officer and suspension no I mean kind kakra or say suspension of the Chief Executive Officer for 2 weeks or say pursuant to section 361 of the Ghana Health Services and Teaching Hospitals Act 1996 Act 526. I am respectfully directing the board to suspend the Chief Executive Officer for a period of 2 weeks with immediate effect or causing to be announced the suspension of admissions. Okay, for causing to be announced the suspension of admissions of emergency cases to the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital on Wednesday, June 3, 2026. He will be required to report to me upon the expiry of the 2 weeks. The Chief Executive admitted before me on Wednesday, June 4, 2026, that he acted contrary to the clear directives of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. By that said announcement, the meeting was attended by the Chief Director, the Technical Advisor, and the Legal Advisor to the Minister. I also took note of an interview granted by the Head of Public Affairs Unit of the Konfanochi Teaching Hospital to Channel 1 Newsroom on the matter of the suspension of admission of new emergency cases by the hospital. This announcement by the Head of Public Affairs Unit was also contrary to the okay.
With a longer shot.
He has been suspended.
Sure.
He has been suspended. Oto.
Yeah, I think.
Ebi chese we yam huna.
Okay.
Ebi so say ase opese omde kata ne maso.
You see, let's all be very frank here. Say Ayarabia any holding sense some near no my na koso. Say yana ye beyond yana yete. So I tell you, more hold beyond why am I saying this? You say, for not emergency center, no, I think, sir, a fine pass 37 or so.
I'll say for 37.
37, of course. And you say, I resabia near Yana Cohoro. So, the Panama or Mobile Susana. People might end up, being affected by Sabi Obi Yari Crown on your day, a yari. And I think, sir, out Nipas 37 now also before they went beyond that, and I think someone was saying Nipas 100 or so.
61 the whole. And now more say number be so outside. I was almost so a home.
But for me, baby, I don't have drink a crunch. When you make such a public announcement, the ACN say Ubi Crown Ibia or Yaria Yadini Beko Crown, what can in advance because when you say, oh, you see emergency crown, I said, be quite high, you didn't pay Nipan psychologically. What I say, Nipan or Yarino psychologically. What could
maybe I make quick say, Mina
Babina, and then he fabium. Go for nothing, put a friend is a mere funny palm away. Then you have any Ademico, not just a Nipan and the Susma Tim Granite. Wakuno. And in Tinam say, Hono dear, Minisi or Nusabi, and Yadrin. Say, or make such an announcement. But the Nipan crab. Now, if possible, you could refer, and now you can refer him to other facility. But say, Atonso Guana, Suntraso, and Bibisana, and now we can even give the person a first aid. But for you to announce publicly, say, when will be on fire, I have phobia and sick or for not emergency because this one so. I think it did not go well. I need the health minister, no, a pay harding, say, woman at that suspension. Now, Tosu Bio, Ushe, no man, Peninsula, account to say. Nipana, a chill pass of crown, and Mudamonia day. Munion found to no, said they say, Namican, yes, so I know, first aid, obedient for Mano, said the Baya, Nipan call, Bejan Rishamu, say, oh, at least you're the answer coming. Your mammy be beer or said me, who's better. Not a healing, a psychological, a psychological. Till so, Nipan Mauritius will be a boy, no, or a baby cracker, guest Chesibia, also be a call yard, or two Nipa Cacan and Cratical. Yeah. The packet with whom the Panisi, Dr. Nukra knew, both an iron and Koyana, a swat. So for him to have made that public announcement today, I think it was quite unfortunate. And then to also suspend him for good 2 weeks in the okay.
Okay, saying.
And the Omuna terms, any conditions of how I must see.
Does it warrant suspension?
For me, I don't think so.
Okay.
I don't. You could have reprimanded him in a way. And take that long. Say 2 weeks. So uncle the man is also very useful. Who's a doctor or a surgeon? So I say, and you suspending him 2 weeks, some call facility why, and he could have rendered certain help to other friends saying sick people are more hospital. Into no we not on continent, meaning the facility will miss him for a whole 2 weeks. 2 weeks and say be on one out of his whole kind gesture, but Bahosebia or Baba Boama Sebia Sayari for area. He can choose to stay in the house. Oma. Nebasan, you crying the doctor saying, a friend is saying, a friend is saying, Ebi. No, you are not so from a quarter of 2 weeks. Me say there could have been a better way. He bit me a reprimand and I bit me punishing for what he did done to suspend him for 2 weeks. That is my candid opinion.
Okay.
So what I say, maybe our salary, maybe a best slash, maybe 10% of your salary, fine. But home regiment, no more boy, master be I for never honor, yen show. But for him to stay home for 2 2 weeks, he begin to say, say a minister, no, some discretion, and I'm a boy. Of course, it's me to maintain a hand catches one ye, but we made the enemy, Mimi Susu, and say, Senka, you not to get you also be at 10% and 5%. No, deterrent enough. So the next time, when you be. So, yes, indeed, we don't so about say, a common other facilities is a muso, about say, when we be also on Onion, I'm on Huntamanco, uncle, declare be as a and you'll be our idea. So, but all you know, the Becancer cabinet, there are other facilities as Senka, Yabayajin Koswa, you bet me, ye nanka, easy detention at Hokon for not. After you go, you know, my boy for MB before by Tomuya for the hospital, yeah, and can yet story no would have been different today. So we are hospital, so but to be yet almost every one, because the story would have been different today. But the day who here, you buy you be back as a check. Who
be back as a now, who's a match? Huh?
Say about Yantuna J. Musa. So I say, so I say, so what do you say? Plans are ongoing, plans are far advanced. Say because so we are completing finally because Kabana Utan Kagwana will see dying. So we share so we are facility this. If you dear was a comu and send a hospital, and a hospital. I just ask him to if you and you know, say modern day hospitals, you need sophisticated machines. What's available and send a research to me a day. Likewise, Afari. And then this is what you say. So I say, but machines are also common. Sometimes, who quantify in monetary terms, no boy cried they check down was yes.
But there are facilities if you have machines now. Can you see? You see a binum crash. Some of the facilities, machines now they are readily available. No, equipment now.
Let me say what so machines in the machines in the the matters of machines were in crying dear Bakubia or Muko try the betu.
Kumasi has a cry be there because yeah, stories. So who are cry bio?
Yes, I ready.
Yes, and there ain't a war a bosom chimona the area. Yes, this in Abeka say, this baby, if you back on this in a catch them say, what more Masha say credit to 2 Nemani Binia, I'm a crumb for crash as
a former DC.
Then the current one.
Oh, name is Mr. Maccabe. And then the messenger say, for Madama, we dear, here to young. So, young Pesica Crabusian Crana, young Penco. And the crowns bet me up Boama, youth unemployment, and as for Brea, Indian movie or Munya, Sanka. So why function? So why
Facebook never had Sewani.
So why operational? Now,
thank you, MCR.
For see operational. Now be a cocobing the agenda 1 wants you operational. But you didn't cut pressure work of nothing and go so better by far. So I say, and your best young penny for some madam away dear.
Can ye? We advocate. Can ye?
Sure. The master young penny for the but be a drone dear. I am winning one. Yamra.
That's right.
So that's a health minister. Energy now would you suspend the emphasize energy.
Great, fantastic. So that's why I love you.
Yes, no move from running a measure. Now, any pan you can't watch him say, so go here, who come for not to say Yamino Casabana, Nipper did that form. so ti ase omo ko ba be hire for no kra no ba bi omo da kra no enu kra no udi agba ba ti yare esisi ade akofie so ho enti mesere se yem keka ye ho na we ne nkwa nipa nkwa yen fa ma politics wa ha nipa nkwa ene ye kan ho asem sisi ano enu nti no yem pa bosia kra na yem pa ne yem fa mra sewua afari hospital agenda 111 na wokokobe yen complete
that's right
na emhwa yare for na pressure na wokonfa no chene so ntina se wonam konfa no chekra na ya na wonam ho as an ordinary as an average person na wonyare kra na ya na ehu because communicable disease na da one obi humi kra na ko humi bia kofa sabi how dey e dey abrel so hu yenye mpanifo madaro ma ru minta kando adawroma mesre se energy na se kura wo na wo di udwuma no transfer such energies to a friend saying
the hospitals
that's
right
afari
that's right
kokobin agenda 111 no na yema nya operational e basa no e ba bura titifie bebre nurses we one hwe krom ru abefie adwuma no because imagine so akosua nursing na what na fie for 5 years na wonya adwuma
better open here
ru kra befi enti e besere ru kando adawroma we there the boys be call say the brone be kan kekan ho na yema cause Kumasi and for that matter, Konfanoche serve about 6 regions, about 6 different regions.
So 12 regions.
12 regions, so I say because we are located or situated at the center of this country, and all these surrounding regions in they look up to Konfanoche.
And even refer us from outside the country.
Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, never Konfanoche. And why not, ease the tension or the pressure there by making Sewua and answer for operational. Say the beya a doctor for no kra no e ban sa na workload no so beti ma mboja hoden sonko de e de ya adwuma. I think say they've been advocating omuka say ban bi obaba bia no mo na afari ni Sewua de nka ye ntie nsam firi ho e ba sa pressure no so beti
sure
so na nka e ba sa productivity kra will what increase
that's
because
right.
wo hoden na wo kwa adwuma
that's it
wo yare ya wontumi nkwa adwuma and nti wonum de wo ya de srede e na me de to owura akando anim so
that's
really unfortunate punishment and too hard too harsh nka ye ma no be a 10% salary decrease bi kra na nka ni aboa nko mra meto aso nya adwuma because he's a qualified surgeon one of the best in Africa owura pakosi na omuma no mra adwuma na emua ayaresa wo Konfanoche me da se kobna
okay maminya we say birthday na fe